Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So my tutorial today is going to be something very quick. I already started working on it, but I wanted to show you guys how I did it. Um, who remembers eating these? Oh my, one of my favorite chocolates. Definitely when it's that time of month. You ladies know. But this is like one of my favorite chocolates. And someone on one of my other tutorials had comment down below and gave me a wonderful idea. She told me I was using these to make my little candies, my little hard candies for my cake I'll be working on soon. And she gave me the idea to use these and make them into little chocolates. So I was like, that's a good idea. So then my greedy self was sitting down eating one of these, and I looked at it and I was like, wait a minute, this looks like my little pieces of wood that I got from my tumbling game from Dollar Tree. And I was like, this would probably be great. So I went with it. I'm sorry for the paint. You guys already know I always got paint. So I decided, why not do it? So I took, and I already have 4 ready here, and I have 2 that is not completely ready because I wanted to kind of show you guys how I did it. So here's the ones I already did, which they look just like it. Like, I'm so amazed of how it really looks like it. So because it comes 6 in a pack, so I have 2 more here that I didn't do yet because I wanted to do it on camera to kind of show you guys what I did. It's nothing hard. Like I said, I used these and I painted them with my regular brown, and I took a little bit of my cream, my little drip that I like to make. I took a little bit of that and I put it on it. And the way to make the dip is using I don't know where my glue is, but with a little bit of craft paint to make it the color that you want it. And then I had a little bit already in my bottle from when I did to make a drip, and I was like, you know what, this might make it look a little thicker once it dries and a little bit better, which it did. Because if you see the difference, it's just like a little piece of wood. And you see the difference of once you put it on. It dries on a little bit. Not real thick, but not, real thin either. And it dries on just perfect. So I put it on all of them. And then I let them sit overnight. Because I did it yesterday. I let it sit overnight. And then they're fully dry now. So after I came down, I realized, well, wait a minute, they're not the exact color what they're really supposed to look like. So what I did was I left them brown like they was, and I just took a little bit of black paint. I added it to the side here of my paper, and I just did this. That's why I have black in my hands. And I just brushed it just a little bit, and just kept doing that until I got it to how I really wanted it. Because it doesn't go this light. It does go a little darker. Because it's supposed to be dark chocolate on these. And it's crazy. I don't like dark chocolate. They say that's one of the healthiest chocolates you can eat. And I don't like it. But for some reason, I will eat these like there's no tomorrow, and it's dark chocolate. All right, let me get a little more black paint over here on the side like I did. That's what I was using. I just used this regular black paint from Dollar Tree that I do not like, but See, and I just gave it like a little coat over. That way it kind of looks more like the candy, because like I said, when it dries into like a light brown. Not real light, but not where you want it to be. So see? And then and then when it dries, it doesn't look fully black. So that's the good thing. So let me do my last one. That way I have them all ready. So see, I'm not dipping it in water or nothing. And I'm dipping it in the paint, but I'm rubbing the brush onto the paper first before I brush it over here. If you hear some noise, you're probably hearing my dryer. Because I figure since I was already down here working and doing my thing, might as well get other things done too. So I got my dryer going. I did a little load I had. Figured get it done. So if you guys hear something that's off, that's probably what you're hearing, my dryer. Okay. See? And there we have all 6 of them. So I want to add this. Like I was thinking, and I need you guys' help. I was thinking, you know how I keep working on little parts to make my candy cake? I was thinking, do you guys think I should just go with candies, or should I also add like pieces of chocolate as candy too? Because that's candy too. It's just chocolate. So I don't know if I want to add chocolates to the cake, or if I want to just go with just candies. Like I said before, I have these lollipops that I'm going to be using. I definitely want to use one of my apples that I made in my last tutorial. So I'm not sure if I want to just make candies on all the cake, or if I want to do candies and chocolates, because to me it's all candy. It's just chocolate and then it's candy, but I don't know. So like I said, I saved this. I don't want to put them in the pack, because then you're not gonna see. You can just actually put. So what I was thinking was, I was going to put some in the pack, but without being painted, just to give me, you know, the space that they're in, something's in there. And then I kind of wanted to figure out how I can take the wrapper and like glue these together, like not together on top of each other, but like somehow where it looked like it, once I put it on my cake, it would look like, like my candy, my chocolates like spilling out of the pack. But I'm not sure what I want to do yet. So for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. But it really looks, I like the idea, because it really, I'm trying to find something I can sit behind the pack here to help it sit up. But you see how cool that looks, how it actually looks. I had to recount, because for a minute there, I was like, wait a minute, that looks like there's more than 6. Don't mind me, guys. But I think it looks pretty cool. It looks, you know, like it really looks like the pieces. So I'm trying to come up with ideas on what I want to do. So I just wanted to share real quick with you guys this, because I thought it was really cool, and I really like how it actually looks like the pieces. I gotta see which one of my kids I get tonight with this one. See, and then you can just go touch up if you don't really like how some of the parts look in some of the corners. Just touch it back up. But I really like it, because it really looks like the candy. If you look really good there, and then you really look at one of them, like it actually looks like one. It's just that, you know, you can't see the middle part, but it really looks like them. And I really like that. So I wanted to share with you guys real quick this, because it's really easy, and like I said, it really looks real. something fun to do. You know, you can play some good tricks on people with these. Just make sure they don't actually put them in their mouth. But that's it. And I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick because I think it's amazing. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys try it out as well. Like I said, I got these from Dollar Tree. And I've been using this for so many things. Like I made my little hard candies. And I also have more of them on the side here that I'm going to use like actual little chocolates. So that's going to work out perfect. So I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. And like I said, I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a like. And I hope you guys try it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.